Firstly, today we will discuss about error spotting, and after that there are some of the rules which are left of adverb. After that we will discuss that. There are only 4 to 5 rules of adverb which we did not discuss in the previous lecture. Now today we will discuss it. Okay, let's start with the error spotting. Okay, as this is the first sentence, read out the first sentence and tell me in which part of the sentence there is an error. After that I will discuss. Bank boards must be fully professionalized, empowered with taking all bank related decisions and hold accountable for their performance. First C. And please tell me what will be the right answer. If the option is C, what will be the right answer? Aman, what should be there instead of C? Okay. Other candidates? Except Aman, no one replied. Sandeep, Venkatraman, Raj, Aditya. As in the first sentence, there is error in the C part because we are talking about must be. With must be, passive form should be used. Passive form means third form of verb as we discussed in the active passive session. So there is A, B and C. There should be held instead of hold, as hold is the first form of verb. Right? Okay, read the second sentence. The most elegant distinction I have been encountered is the one drawn by the late Harvard jurist and philosopher Ronald Dworkin. Where is the error? In which part of the sentence there is an error? Sandeep said B. Okay. Sandeep, why there is B answer? Also tell me explanation with your answer. Yeah, there are some more candidates. Jibin, Deepak Kumar, Krishna. You can also answer, guys. Sanjay. It is more important for your examination point of view. Aman, Deepak Kumar B. Okay. It is very simple, I think. If you remember, I have taught you active passive voice. I know there will be no direct questions of active passive voice in your examinations, but in this case, as in error finding, there will be some types of questions regarding active passive voice. So I discussed it in the previous lectures. Okay, if I talk about second question, the most elegant distinction I have been encountered. If the work is directly done by me or done by someone, if the work is directly done by someone, it is active. And in active sentences, we do not use been, because been is always used in the passive voice, passive tenses. So in this, have plus third form of verb will be used as it is active sentence. Okay guys, read the third sentence. He then returned to the hospital to get to work, expecting to be busy stitching up patients injured in the blast and saving lives, but he discovered that the hospital too was in rubble. Yeah, tell me. Okay, one more thing. If there is no error in the sentence, marked no error. I haven't written